Most people think they can't grow food because they don't have time or space, but what if I told you that both are solvable with a few clever soil-based tricks? Today, we're decoding how to turn the smallest spaces into abundant edible gardens that practically take care of themselves. I'm the Soil Doctor, and here on Dirt Decoded, we focus on smart, sustainable ways to grow more while doing less. Whether you've got a balcony, a patio, or a patch of yard, these ideas will save you time, space, and stress. The easiest way to grow more food without more ground is to go up. Use trellises, wall planters, or even old gutters to grow vertically. Crops like beans, peas, strawberries, and cherry tomatoes love climbing or cascading. And they free up ground space for root crops below. Add a drip line or self-watering system and suddenly, your maintenance time drops in half. Instead of one big bed, cluster multiple containers close together. The shared shade keeps soil cooler, reducing how often you water. Combine fast growers like lettuce or basil with slower crops like peppers in the same pot. This staggered planting saves both time and space while mimicking natural plant communities. Covering soil is one of the smartest time-saving hacks. A layer of mulch or living herbs like oregano or thyme keeps weeds out, holds moisture in, and attracts pollinators. When you pair plants that help each other like basil and tomatoes or carrots and onions, you also get healthier growth with less pest pressure. If your garden setup needs to adapt, modular containers or rolling beds let you move crops to chase sunlight or dodge harsh weather. A small raised bed on casters turns a balcony into a mobile mini farm. The key to a thriving edible garden isn't space, it's design. Think vertically, plant densely, cover your soil, and let nature handle the heavy lifting. Even 10 minutes a day in a smart setup can yield armfuls of fresh food. What's your biggest small space gardening challenge right now? Space, sunlight, or time? Share it in the comments so we can tackle it in a future episode. And if this inspired your next garden project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dirt Decoded for more soil-smart growing ideas every week.